Welcome to my Halki Diabetes Remedy review. There are no documented clinical data available on this subject. However, lot of users think it works. One should use the remedy in parallel with a medical practitioner's advice and gradually phase out prescription drugs if conditions seem to improve. Diabetes can be managed effectively. Diabetes, the basics of proper management of the disease. Even though diabetes has been around for many years, there are still quite a lot of people who knows little about it. If you have diabetes, it is important that you know how to properly manage the disease in order to prevent or at least minimize the complications brought upon by the disease. Living with diabetes is not easy, but with discipline and with the right knowledge, you can be sure that you will find it easy to adjust and still live a normal and full life. First of all, you need to know what exactly diabetes is. Basically, this is a condition of the body where it doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use insulin the right way. Insulin is responsible for converting blood sugar or glucose into energy. Diabetes is a condition where it causes sugar to build up in the blood. There are two types of diabetes: type 1 and type 2. If you have type 1 diabetes, it means that your body is unable or only produces little insulin. If you have type 2 diabetes, it means that the insulin produced by your body isn't properly used by the body, or it doesn't produce enough insulin in order to control blood sugar level. Most adults who have diabetes suffer from type 2 diabetes. Diabetes can cause a lot of health problems. Basically, the disease itself is not the one that you should watch out for. But, you have to look out for the complications brought upon by diabetes, which are blindness, kidney damage, nerve damage, and high risk of heart disease. When treating diabetes, the main goal should be keeping your blood sugar level as close to normal as possible. It shouldn't be too high or too low in order for you to minimize or prevent complications caused by the disease. To do this, you need to have a healthy diet and exercise. What this means is that you will need to change your diet and exercise habits. For some people, it may even mean changing their lifestyle. You also need to watch your weight in order to regulate your blood sugar level. It is important that you should consult your doctor about your condition in order for you to know more about it and also have knowledge on how to treat it. The doctor will tell you about the foods you need to eat, and also how much exercise you need to have each week. When it comes to diet, the general rule for diabetics is low fat, low salt, low sugar, low carbohydrates, and high fiber diet. Snack in between meals is also recommended in order to regulate blood sugar levels in the body. Another important factor in controlling blood sugar levels is by regularly checking your blood glucose levels several times each day. You will need to have a glucose meter in order for you to do so. In some cases, diet and exercise alone are not enough in order to regulate blood sugar levels. The doctor will usually talk to you about other treatments for diabetes, such as medicine and insulin. These are the basics of proper management of diabetes. Living with diabetes can be hard at first, but with discipline and in time, you will be able to get used to a new lifestyle and continue on living a healthy, normal and full life. Thank you for watching.